at work or on the go, Linedock has it covered. You can store your projects and access them instantly, whenever, wherever. Charge up, download, and have all the ports you could ever need. All from the same device.
It happens. Our devices run out of power all the time. So why not have one battery pack that can charge and sync all of your devices at once? Introducing the AlsterPlus, the most powerful and versatile power bank and USB hub with the ability to charge and sync 4 devices simultaneously. Most power banks only charge 1 or 2 devices at once, not even holding much power. The AlsterPlus is different. It has a bi-directional 100-watt USB-C port, 2 18-watt quick charge USB-A ports, and another 100-watt USB-C port that also works as a USB hub. The AlsterPlus will charge 4 devices at once, like a MacBook Pro, an iPad, iPhone, and a Wacom tablet. What devices do you need to charge? Imagine the possibilities. But what about charging and syncing at the same time? The AlsterPlus also serves as a USB hub that lets you seamlessly sync and manage files while you free up your laptop ports. Simply plug your laptop into the hub port and activate the hub mode, turning 1 USB-C port from your laptop into 3 high-speed outlets. Also, the AlsterPlus recharges completely in only 1 hour, and it supports pass-through charging in both 100-watt USB-C ports, so you can charge the AlsterPlus while it charges your devices. The AlsterPlus is surprisingly light and has a sleek design, able to easily fit in your bag or even in your pocket. With a powerful 27,000 mAh or 100-hour max capacity, the AlsterPlus has power-sharing technology able to power up 2 MacBook Pros simultaneously while still remaining within airline regulations. It's solidly built with a high-quality aircraft-grade aluminum housing. The AlsterPlus comes in silver or space gray. The AlsterPlus